Best travel drones. Are you looking for the best travel drones? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight and foldable drone designed for portability and ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is compact and travel-friendly, requiring no registration in many regions. Despite its small size, the Mini 2 offers impressive performance and features. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, the Mini 2 delivers smooth, high-resolution video and sharp 12MP photos, ensuring professional quality footage. The 3-axis stabilization ensures steady shots even during windy conditions, making it a reliable option for capturing dynamic scenes. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, the Mini 2 provides ample duration for extended aerial photography and exploration. The OcuSync 2.0 technology enables HD video transmission up to 10 kilometers, ensuring stable and clear communication between the drone and the controller, even at significant distances. The drone includes intelligent flight modes like quickshots, which automate complex maneuvers for creative video effects. Options like Drone, Circle, and Helix simplify capturing cinematic footage with just a few taps. GPS and altitude hold features ensure stability and easy navigation, while the return to home (RTH) function enhances safety by guiding the drone back to its starting point when needed. Its durable design and gray finish provide a sleek, modern aesthetic. The intuitive DJI Fly app adds convenience with user-friendly controls, tutorials, and editing tools, allowing pilots to share their creations instantly. In summary, the DJI Mini 2 combines portability, high-quality imaging, and intelligent features to offer an exceptional flying experience. Its 4K camera, 31-minute flight time, and advanced transmission system make it a versatile and reliable drone for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact yet feature-packed drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry and does not require registration in many regions due to its sub-250-gram weight. Paired with the DJI RC remote controller, this drone offers seamless control and a user-friendly flying experience. The Mini 3 Pro features a 4K camera capable of recording at 60 frames per second and capturing sharp, vibrant images, making it ideal for high-quality content creation. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light conditions, delivering impressive results in a variety of environments. Equipped with tridirectional obstacle sensing, front, back, and downward, the drone provides enhanced safety, reducing the risk of collisions for smoother flights. The included Fly More Kit Plus elevates the experience with 2 additional high-capacity batteries, extending the maximum flight time to an impressive 94 minutes. This extended flight capability is ideal for long sessions of aerial photography and exploration. The drone also supports advanced features like quickshots, focus track, and master shots, enabling cinematic footage with minimal effort. The DJI Mini 3 Pro integrates with the DJI Fly app for easy control, flight tutorials, and editing tools, streamlining the experience for new users. The app also facilitates 1080p live video transmission over a range of up to 12 kilometers using DJI O3 transmission technology, ensuring stable and clear connectivity. In summary, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a powerful combination of portability, advanced imaging, and intelligent features. Its 4K/60 FPS camera, extended flight time, and tridirectional obstacle sensing make it a versatile and beginner-friendly drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. The Fly More Kit Plus further enhances its value, providing extra batteries for uninterrupted exploration. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a premium drone designed for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Featuring a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, it captures stunning 20MP still images and records 5.1K video with exceptional clarity and dynamic range. The Hasselblad Natural Color solution ensures true-to-life colors, making it ideal for content creators who demand top-tier image quality. With an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 allows for extended exploration and shooting sessions. It boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, using multiple sensors to detect obstacles in all directions, ensuring safer and more confident navigation even in complex environments. The advanced auto return feature further enhances safety by automatically guiding the drone back to its starting point when low on battery or signal. The Mavic 3's video transmission system offers a range of up to 15 kilometers with stable, low-latency 1080p live feeds, ensuring reliable connectivity during long-distance flights. Its FAA remote ID compliance ensures it meets regulatory requirements, making it suitable for professional and recreational use alike. The drone supports intelligent flight modes such as active track and master shots, which simplify complex maneuvers and help capture cinematic footage with ease. Its compact, foldable design and gray finish make it both portable and stylish, appealing to users who prioritize mobility. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 is a high-performance drone that combines advanced imaging capabilities, extended flight time, and robust safety features. Its 4-of-3 Hasselblad camera, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and intelligent flight modes make it a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled aerial photography and videography. Number 4. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is a powerful and versatile drone, perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures 20MP stills and shoots stunning 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering exceptional image quality with rich details, even in low-light conditions. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures stable and smooth footage, enhancing the overall cinematic experience. The Air 2S offers advanced safety features, including 4-direction obstacle sensing, front, back, top, and bottom, enabling safer and more confident navigation. With intelligent modes like focus track, master shots, and hyperlapse, users can effortlessly create complex, professional-grade aerial footage. The drone's compact and foldable design makes it highly portable, ideal for travel and on-the-go adventures. The Fly More combo enhances the package by including 2 extra batteries, extending the total flight time significantly beyond the standard 31 minutes per charge. This ensures uninterrupted flying sessions for extensive photography and exploration. Additionally, the combo includes extra propellers, a charging hub, and a carrying case, making it a complete solution for drone enthusiasts. The Air 2S supports OcuSync 3.0 video transmission technology, providing a reliable range of up to 12 kilometers with live 1080p video feeds. Its robust connection ensures stable and clear transmissions, even in challenging environments. The drone is compatible with the DJI Fly app, which offers intuitive controls, tutorials, and editing tools to enhance the user experience. In summary, the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo delivers professional-grade performance with its 1-inch sensor, advanced safety features, and intelligent flight modes. The extra batteries and accessories in the Fly More combo make it an excellent choice for extended and versatile aerial photography and videography. Number 5. The Parrot Anafi FPV drone set is a lightweight and foldable quadcopter designed for immersive aerial photography and exploration. This compact and portable drone features an innovative first-person view (FPV) experience using the included cockpit glasses 3, offering pilots a fully immersive perspective during flights. Equipped with a high-performance camera, the Anafi captures sharp 4K HDR videos and stunning 21MP photos, delivering excellent detail and vibrant colors. The camera is mounted on a 180 degrees tilt gimbal, enabling versatile shooting angles, including straight-up views perfect for creative shots and inspections. Additionally, the 3x digital zoom provides closer framing without compromising image quality. The Anafi is optimized for travel and convenience. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to pack and transport using the included backpack, which neatly stores the drone and accessories. The 25-minute flight time per charge allows for extended exploration, while its quiet flight performance ensures minimal disruption during use. This drone also supports full HD live streaming, enabling pilots to share real-time aerial views through the FPV glasses or compatible devices. It features a user-friendly app interface for precise control, advanced flight modes, and pre-programmed cinematic maneuvers, making it suitable for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Key features include GPS-assisted flight, follow me mode, and return-to-home functionality, ensuring safe and intuitive operation. Its lightweight build enhances agility, and its wind resistance ensures stable flights even in challenging conditions. In summary, the Parrot Anafi FPV drone set is a compact, versatile, and immersive drone package. With its advanced camera capabilities, unique tilt gimbal, and included FPV glasses, it's an excellent choice for travelers, hobbyists, and creatives looking to capture and experience the world from new perspectives.